A few years ago, I had cucumber plants that looked absolutely perfect in early spring. I mean, they looked like the kind of plants every gardener hopes for. Big green leaves, strong vines, fresh new growth, and tiny cucumbers starting to appear everywhere. I remember walking out to the garden thinking, this is going to be my best cucumber harvest yet. And then, almost out of nowhere, everything started going wrong. The leaves began turning yellow. The vines started drooping in the afternoon. A few plants looked tired one day and were nearly gone the next morning. Some seemed to collapse overnight. At first, I blamed insects. Then I thought maybe I had used the wrong fertilizer. Then I blamed the weather. Because that is what we gardeners do, right? When a plant starts failing, we look everywhere for the dramatic explanation. But the real problem was not dramatic at all. It was something very simple. And once I understood it, my cucumber plants stayed healthier, produced longer, and stopped dying halfway through the season. So today, I want to show you the quiet mistake that kills a lot of cucumber plants before gardeners even realize what is happening. I will also show you the easy fix that can completely change your harvest. And later in the video, I will share an old school gardener trick that helps cucumber roots stay cooler and more comfortable during brutal summer heat. Welcome back to Earth Knows. I'm glad you are here. On this channel, we focus on simple gardening methods that actually work. No complicated systems, no expensive gadgets, no fancy tricks that only work in perfect conditions. Just practical, real-life gardening advice that makes growing food easier and more rewarding. And if your cucumber plants seem to struggle every year, please do not feel bad. This is one of the most common cucumber problems there is. The tricky part is that many cucumber plants look healthy above the soil, while stress is already building underground. And that is where the real problem usually begins. Cucumbers grow incredibly fast. Those big leaves and long vines are not just for show. They need a lot of moisture to keep moving, growing, flowering, and producing fruit. But here is where many gardeners accidentally hurt the plant. They water too lightly and too often. A quick spray every day may look helpful. It makes the surface of the soil look wet, and it feels like you are giving the plant what it needs. But shallow watering often creates shallow roots. And shallow roots are exactly what you do not want when summer heat arrives. When water only reaches the top layer of soil, cucumber roots stay close to the surface. Then, when the sun gets strong and the top of the soil dries out, those roots dry out quickly too. The plant becomes stressed again and again. At first, you may not notice much. The plant may still look green. It may still be growing. It may even start producing cucumbers. But over time, that daily stress begins to show. Leaves turn yellow. Fruit may become bitter or oddly shaped. Flowers may drop. Growth slows down. Diseases may start moving in. And during a hot spell, the whole plant may suddenly look like it is giving up. Now, here is the important part. The answer is usually not just more water. The answer is deeper watering. That one change can make a huge difference. Instead of sprinkling the surface a little bit every day, cucumber plants usually do much better with deep soakings that send moisture farther down into the soil. Deep watering encourages the roots to grow deeper. And deeper roots are stronger, cooler, and much more prepared to handle hot weather. For mature cucumber plants, a deep watering every 3 to 5 days is often much better than a tiny watering every day. Of course, every garden is different. If you have sandy soil, water drains away faster. If you're growing in containers, they may dry out much faster. If you're in a heat wave, you may need to check more often. But the goal stays the same. You want deep moisture, not constant wetness only on the surface. A good target for a mature cucumber plant is roughly 1 to 2 gallons of water during a deep watering session. And here is a simple test you can use. Push your finger about 2 to 3 inches into the soil near the plant. If it feels dry below the surface, your cucumbers probably need deeper watering. But if the soil feels cool and slightly moist underneath, the roots are usually fine for the moment. That little test is much better than guessing by looking only at the top of the soil, because the top can look dry while the root zone is still moist, or the top can look wet while deeper soil is still too dry. Once you start checking below the surface, you begin watering the roots instead of just watering the dirt. And that one habit can prevent a surprising number of cucumber problems. Now let us talk about another hidden issue: heat stress. Cucumbers love warmth, but they do not love extreme heat around their roots. When the soil surface becomes hot and dry, the shallow feeder roots near the top of the soil can suffer quickly. Once those roots struggle, the leaves struggle. Then the fruit struggles. Then the whole plant starts sending you warning signs. This is where mulch becomes one of the simplest and most powerful tools in the cucumber garden. A 2-inch layer of straw, shredded leaves, or untreated grass clippings can help keep the soil cooler and hold moisture longer. Mulch also helps prevent sudden moisture swings. And cucumbers really do not like sudden swings. Too dry one week, too wet the next. Hot soil during the day, soggy soil at night. That roller coaster weakens the plant and makes it easier for disease to move in. Powdery mildew, bacterial wilt, and other problems often show up faster on plants that are already under stress. A steady root environment gives cucumber plants a much better chance. But here is something gardeners often miss. Sometimes cucumber plants are not dying because they need more water. Sometimes they're dying because they're getting too much water. This happens especially in containers, raised beds with poor drainage, or heavy clay soil. Cucumber roots need moisture, but they also need air. If the soil stays constantly soaked, oxygen disappears from the root zone. The roots begin to suffocate. Then root rot can begin. When that happens, the plant may look thirsty even though the soil is wet. That is why overwatering can be so confusing. The leaves droop, so you water more. Then the roots get weaker, so the leaves droop even more. And the cycle keeps going until the plant collapses. Yellow lower leaves can be one of the early warning signs. So before adding more water, always check the soil. If it is wet and heavy around the roots, the plant may not need more water. It may need better drainage and more air in the soil. Now, cucumber watering also changes throughout the season. Young cucumber seedlings have small root systems. In the beginning, they may need lighter, more frequent watering because their roots cannot reach far yet. But once the plants mature and the vines begin spreading, deep watering becomes much more important. That is when you want to train the roots to search downward instead of staying near the surface. And during midsummer heat, you may need to adjust again. A cucumber plant in the ground may stay moist longer than one in a container. A plant in a raised bed may dry out faster than one planted in deeper garden soil. A plant sitting in full afternoon sun may need more attention than one that gets a little protection during the hottest part of the day. This does not mean you should panic and water constantly. It means you should watch the plant and check the soil before deciding. And here is another old gardening habit that still works beautifully. Water in the morning whenever you can. Morning watering gives the plant time to take up moisture before the hottest part of the day. It also allows any wet leaves to dry after sunrise. That matters because wet leaves sitting overnight can encourage fungal problems. If you can water at the base of the plant instead of spraying the leaves, even better. Cucumber leaves are large, and wet foliage can stay damp longer than you think, especially when plants are crowded. Now let us talk about one of the most frightening cucumber problems: sudden wilting. Almost every cucumber grower has seen this. You walk outside in the afternoon, and the plant looks terrible. The leaves are hanging down. The vines look weak. It almost looks like the plant is dying right in front of you. But here is the important thing to remember. Afternoon drooping during extreme heat is sometimes normal. Cucumber leaves are large, and they lose moisture quickly under intense sun. If the plant perks back up in the evening, it may simply be reacting to temporary heat stress. But if the plant is still wilted early the next morning, that is different. Morning wilt is a warning sign. That usually means the roots are struggling, the soil is too dry, the soil is too wet, or there may be disease or root damage involved. Learning this difference can save you from a lot of unnecessary panic. Afternoon droop that recovers by evening is often manageable. Wilting that continues into the morning needs attention. Cucumber plants communicate very clearly once you learn what to look for. Curling leaves, yellow lower leaves, slow growth, tiny fruit, bitter cucumbers, misshapen cucumbers, and weak vines are all stress signals. And the earlier you notice them, the easier they are to fix. It is much easier to correct watering and mulch early than it is to rescue a plant that has already crashed. Now, let me share the old school gardener trick I promised. Instead of piling mulch directly against the cucumber stem, create a shallow mulch ring around the plant, leaving a little open space around the base. That open space helps air move around the stem and reduces the chance of rot. At the same time, the mulch ring helps hold moisture around the root zone, where the plant actually needs it. It is simple, but works. And here's another version of the same idea. Some gardeners bury a plastic bottle near the cucumber roots. They make tiny holes in the bottle, bury it partway into the soil, and fill it with water. The water slowly releases deeper underground instead of running across the surface. This can be especially helpful during hot summers because it sends moisture closer to the root zone and encourages the plant to search deeper. You do not need anything fancy. Just a simple, slow-release watering method can make a difference. So let us bring everything together. Most cucumber plants do not suddenly die for no reason. Most of the time, they are reacting to root stress. That stress may come from shallow watering, extreme heat, poor drainage, inconsistent moisture, or roots that never had a chance to grow deep and strong. The simple fix is to create a more stable root environment. Water deeply. Check the soil below the surface. Use mulch to keep the soil cooler. Avoid soaking the roots constantly. Make sure containers and heavy soil can drain properly. And pay attention to how the plant looks in the morning, not just during the hottest part of the afternoon. Small changes can make a big difference. Stronger roots create stronger vines. Stronger vines create healthier leaves. And healthier leaves mean more flowers, better cucumbers, and a longer harvest season. If your cucumber plants have been dying halfway through the season, do not give up on them. Start with the roots. Because when cucumber roots are comfortable, the whole plant becomes easier to grow. If this helped you, subscribe to Earth Knows and tell me in the comments, what is your biggest challenge when growing cucumbers? And make sure to watch the next video, because your garden may already be showing you warning signs you do not want to miss.